All right, so let's get started with today's recap. Yeah, it's not an easy day, or it was not an easy day. It was a range day, and very. I think that these days like this are difficult to trade. So let's get started. I'm gonna open crude oil. This is where I made a little bit of money. It wasn't spectacular at all. It was more of a very rangy day, and I didn't feel like I was doing a good job trading. So let me put first of all, let me put this. I'm gonna put it back there. So here is the chart for the 30 minutes. You see that, okay, so I had this one from yesterday. I'm going to put it today at 9 a.m. So you see how it looks in the overnight. So you see here, we are coming back down in the range. We opened right in between the 50 SMA and the 200 SMA with all of these moving averages in between. I call this one a spaghetti formation, and really it's nothing but all the moving averages kind of like in between all of them. Now you see that there was a move in the morning right after, in the first half an hour, moved a little bit to the upside and then came back, respecting the range right there. So we have a range in here in between this area and this area right down below here. So it's a wide area in between $80 and $81.89. So about $1.80 and $1.80 to $1.60 there. So not that big, but good enough. So then it made a bounce off of this 200, and you see that it started to go up, failed a little bit, and then came back down. So I took the trade right here, thinking that this one was going to go above the previous day high, and I made a little bit of money right there. So let's look at this, and I'm gonna put here the Renko chart. And so in the Renko chart, you see that we are in the range right here. This is a price action yesterday, came back down in the overnight. So at this point, I'm thinking, okay, where we have a channel down here that it was broke to the upside right there, and then came back and then bounced back up. So that is how it looked. Let's put the trades here. So a couple of trades there. The first one was a loss. And I took the trade right up here when it broke this resistance right there, which is given by, those points. Let me see. That point there, that point there. I had another trade, a winner there. And then coming back up. There was a bounce right there as well, a bounce right here. So I thought that this level would be important, and actually I marked it there as a potential range. So when it broke, I took the trade. However, it came back on me right there to the downside. So I sold it for a loss. I believe that it was like $70. So nothing too crazy on that one. But then I recovered. And I didn't take this one. I was distracted. After this one here, I didn't take this one. This one is a perfect bounce off of the 34, or even the perfect bounce off of the 34 EMA right there. Even you can tell that the 50 would work also as a support there. So it was pushing up. I did not take this one, and I should have. The stochastics right there is bouncing right off of this zero line, which is perfect entry. I missed it. I was distracted, so I did not jump into either one of these candles up above, and I wait on this one here. So this one was the one that I recovered, and it moved to target right there. I ended up making $50 in between the two trades, which is not large, but I'm okay with it. And then came back down, and now we are counter trading this one. So let me show you on the daily in Thinkorswim. I believe that this one is, and I'm gonna put, I have LE, I'm gonna put crude right there for, and I'm gonna change this one to daily. And you see that we are in the range. So right here, you see we are at support at this point. Yesterday we had a green candle moving up, but it's still in the range in here, right there. So coming back up, it's a counter trend moving back down. So I did not feel confident to take any trades to the backside, to the downside, just because I thought it was a little bit too risky. Counter trending is not my strength. So, yeah. Hey, remember to check Apex. They have an 80% discount for, so you can take advantage of it. It's last, I believe that it's until the 9th. So they have this promotion there, just to let you know, and use the Renko promo code. So we have the channel down right there, and it started to come back up. I did not take any of these trades to the downside here in crude. You see also in RTY, pretty rangy day. I mean, look at this. There's no trades here at all, and the momentum indicator is moving also in between, up and down, in between the zero line right there, moved up, moved down, moved up, moved down. So pretty rangy. And also oil, I mean gold, look at gold here, nasty, no continuation that I saw in this one. Even I put a range right there. You see here we have the range formed by those two pivots and those three pivots right there. So this one is the magnet area, and then you have extension right there in the overnight, and I was and you can see how it filled to the other side at the end of the day. So but still the price was a little bit rangy, or a little bit choppy, and then finally it broke here to the downside, but not with a very with a lot of strength. So then it came back up and then came back down. I didn't like that to be traded today. If we look at the chart for gold, it dropped 12, and also you see here how rangy this one is in this area here. So waiting for it to break to the downside or break this diagonal to go to the upside to have a better trend. But at this point, it's not trending to neither side. It's just moving sideways, threatening the lower side of this first day opening range, which is 2334.8. So I don't know. I'm probably today is 25th, the 25th. So we are kind of at the end of the month. This one I would expect to be rangy for a little bit of more time, and then we will fix the trend, or we will see have a better bias by the first of the month or beginning of July. So we'll see. All right, so that's the recap for today. Again, let's review this one. So this one was a break out of the range, right? So right here you have the support, resistance here, trying to break above this range there, and there's a pretty well defined resistance area there, but we still have a supply area over there that worked perfectly for a counter trend. And here I took a wick out of the 34, moving to the upside for very small target with one contract. All right, so those are the trades for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please smash that like button right below there, and check the description. You will see a couple of links there, and also a link to the Discord channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.